What's up, guys? This is Trader back with another live trading session here in the morning on May the 10th. We got four top watchers today: ALF, LEDS, and PTIX and DTSS. All right, so ALF and LED have been working all morning, all pre-market. DTSS is the only one up here with a shelf registration, so I do not expect it to get that much attention. But my main focus will be LEDs. Started to really shine coming into the open. We have to see what kind of action it gives. If it can stay above VWAP. It did crack VWAP a little bit right there, but we'll still watch it and see what it wants to do. Of course, ALF needs to retake VWAP, and let's see, I think everything else needs to get back over VWAP. Yeah, so LEDs will be the top watch out of the open, and try not to lose any money on it. It is very low float. The float is 2.3 million, and we're gonna be ready. We have about 3 minutes to the bell. It's a nice little descending trend line here. Broke out of that previous level. I don't know how much higher it can go. It looks like it has 1050. Looks like some resistance. We also have a little bit of resistance down. Let me move these down. Resistance at the 1020. Okay. Then we have a little bit more resistance up here at the 1081 spot. So we're just going to have to be careful with this one. We're going to actually put this as support. Right here on this level, the 960, 950 level. And it's starting to get a little snappy right there, coming into open. About 2 minutes left, and we will be trading. Gonna have to give us a pullback above VWAP now, though. I'm not gonna buy this. One minute left till open. This is probably going to be a weird open, seeing that it is Monday morning. I do expect some drops, so definitely be prepared. Pushing on up there, breaking the 10. I see 96, 99. Will it break the 10 here? There's the $10. Could not break it though. Getting back up there, seeing the 10s back on the ask. There's a $10, and here's the break. So yeah, I definitely don't want to be in right here. I believe it's going to be some drops here at the open. The market is open. Whoo, look at that. Big move up. A lot of buying pressure right there. This is going to be a major drop. I'm glad I'm not in on that. See, it has a bottom down here of the $10. So yeah. It's first minute bar of the day. Very dangerous bar with it being this high up. Let's see if it can hold above this $10 level. So we are put our support down here to $10 level. Looking like it wants to continue up. Maybe. Yep. Hitting another resistance level. Can we get the pullback? Way too extended for me to be buying right here. Okay, DTSS. Not too interested in that one just yet. Double top right there. People may be throwing out. Wait, PTIX gapped all the way up here from the 2. Wow. Alright, we're just going to be patient here. I don't want to rush anything. I'm going to let leads pull back a bit. See if it can hold above that $10 level. Still pushing up. So what was that? From the 1083 up to the 96, 10-cent move. Alright, so we're just going to have to wait on a pullback on that one. PTIX breaking down VWAP. Okay. So not looking too good. We'll see. Can we please get a pullback? At least one? We need a pullback to challenge one of these bottoms here. Alright, looking like we're getting a nice little pullback. Let me see. What can I get there? Okay, I can get those. Alright. So we did get a pullback above VWAP. Let's see if it'll go and challenge this bottom of the 1070. Will it break the 1070 there? 1080s. 1095 looking like a nice entry location. Will it break the 70s? Is what we okay, it broke the 70s, so we're gonna give it a little bit of time. RHE is up there again. Wow, wow, wow. So we got some pretty nice movers out here. Leads is still in its bag. 1095 looking like the spot I want to be in. Let's see. I'm gonna see how this candle closes. This is 1 minute. It's about to close right now. 4, 5. Okay, there we go. Whoo! Got in right there. Trying to follow it up a little bit. Looking for one more explosion like that. That would be nice. Okay, nice. Can we get one more explosion? Sold some there. Sold. Selling. Selling. Holding just a little bit. If it can continue up. Can we get another blast? Taking all right there. Alright. So we're waiting for the next move. I'm gonna let it kind of consolidate right there. RHE does not have the volume right now. So 1150. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a pullback here. A little bit more of a pullback. Okay, getting on up there. 70s, 80s. Woo! Big moves there. I'm just not interested. 91s. I feel like it can give a nice little breakdown here. 96s. Can it hold the 96? Got in right there. I'll get out quickly if I need to. See if it can push up a little bit more. Okay. Will it break that 12 there? Okay. Alright, I'm going to exit all there. Go ahead and exit that out. Not wanting to play with that. Alright, so what's the next move here? We got RHE. Nice little down. 21. Okay, this one may be a nice one to trade. 21.25. Can we get it? Got in there right there. Looking to follow it up, see if it can go a little bit. If not, if it just fails out, oh well. It's only 10 shares. Okay, nice. Ooh, taking some there. Taking some profit there. Can it pop through? Okay. I'm gonna exit all right there. Just not seeing that motion that I wanted to see. Alright. So we'll leave that one where it is. I see leads is still trying to push up. Alright, let's look for it. Looking like it wanted to go. We'll see. It's kind of struggling here, so we might take small share size here on a pullback. We need a true pullback though. If it can hold a 91 is what we'll be looking for. 91. Nope, there's the pullback right there. Let's see if this 5 minute will go red. It needs to hold over the 57 here. Nice. Okay, now that is red. So let's go ahead and look at what else we got over here. Alright, this one looks nice. This one looks really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and get in. Get in there. Get in right there. Looking for it to push up a little bit. Add it right there. And I'm gonna let that one run a little bit. See if it can push up and get us a little bit of profit there. Okay. Pushed up just a bit, but I just don't see it. Let's see if it can push. I will exit if this shows me red. Getting a push back up there. Come on. Push that 50. 65s. Can we get the 70s? Alright, exited there. Very, very aggravating right there. Leads. Can we get the push up above the 81? 81 push here. Will it break? Broke the 50 right there, breaking down VWAP. Okay, this one is just insane. It's gonna have to do a pullback. I did not see it up that much. All right, RHE. Just not looking too good right now. I'm gonna focus on PTIX. It may go into a halt. It may already be halted. Yeah. So I did lose a little bit on that one trade on leads. There's a lot of money right there, huh? Alright. So we gotta wait on leads. RHE still looking like it wants to go a little bit. I'm gonna build another position. If it can get up to that $22 level, that's what I'm looking for. So the top side of this is the 2180. I'm looking for the 2185. $21.85. Let's see if we can get it. Either that or it'll break VWAP here. VWAP is at the 2109. Nice. Breaking VWAP. That's all I wanted to see. PTIX is going to be the next one on the list for me. Let me look up here at the halts. PTIX halted at 39.55, so it should be opening up at the 44.55. We'll see what it can do. It's got plenty of volume now, and it's plenty volatile. Lead's working its way back up there. It's got to give a pullback above VWAP for me to be interested. PTIX. Well, there's a pullback, but it does not look good. VWAP is at the 1128, which is trying to hold up. Yeah, I'm not too interested on that one. I'm gonna wait for PTIX to come open. PTIX, we're looking at $44.55. Come on. We got about 2 minutes left, 3 minutes left. Will Les break down VWAP? Can it hold up the 50? Will it break down the low here of the 32? We don't know yet. PTIX, we're going to see where it opens up. Lead's trying to get back up there, starting to get a little choppy. Big choppy. All right, PTIX is definitely the one. 44.55 coming up here. We're waiting and watching. We're going to see if it can open up higher, give us a drop down for an entry position. About 10 seconds left for this thing to pop open. 5 seconds left. We're about to get it. Okay, must be a longer halt than we expected. Supposed to open up at the 44.55, did not pop open there. So that is definitely going to have to be very, very careful on that. RHE just looking choppy now. But we will be waiting on PTIX to come out of this halt for the rest of my capital. I'm already green on the day, but I would like to get even more green on this little cheap stock. Let's see, the biggest move was from the 294, 240s, 220, 263. Okay. So now let me go back to my halt scanner and see when it'll be opening up. It should be opening up at the 49.55. 49.55 if it's a 10-minute halt. Keep my eye on everything else. I really don't like RHE a lot. Seems to be facing some weakness here. Will it break VWAP? VWAP is at the 21.35. It just does not look strong anymore. It's like the shorts want it. Leads also below VWAP. RHE getting a little pop there. Still don't trust it. Let's see, the high of this candle is at $22. Looks exciting. It is expensive. I would burn a lot of capital getting in on this one. So I think I'm just gonna be patient and wait on PTIX though. Ooh. Will it come up here? Okay, that was a fake. So $22 faked out and came down. Will it break this 22.80 or 21.80? Breaking down right there. Oh man, I'm glad I wasn't in that. All right, let's go keep my eyes on PTIX before I get trapped in something. PTIX, we have about 2 minutes left on that one. I guess I can continue to watch RHE. It's not that bad, right? I don't have to press the button, right? All right, RHE. All right, we got about 1 minute now, or 2 minutes. 49.55 is when it should be coming out of this halt. If it opens way higher, that'll be nice. 939.55. That would be nice if it opens up way higher and drops. Gives us a nice dip entry. Oh boy. I don't know why it seems like time slows down when these things are supposed to be coming out of halts. Leads trying to get back above VWAP. RHE about to fail. Alright, so we literally have 55 seconds left before this thing should open up, unless it is a 15-minute halt. But it says the halt is just volatility, so let's get it. All right. Looking at about 20 seconds left. Okay, 5 seconds left. Should be opening. Okay, there's the open. Can we get a drop back? Drop, drop, drop. Got in there. Oh, I missed it. Oh, it missed me. Okay, cancel that. It missed me right there. Let's see if we can get one more drop back. A bigger drop back than that. Come on, drop back. Doesn't look like it wants to go. It's gonna have to give me some red here. Give me a big drop. There, 75. Boom. Nice drop back. Is that as far as it wants to come down? Back over the 81, I'm looking. Got in right there. Looking for it to go up. Add it. Can we get a little bit of upward motion here? Come on, baby. You got this. Nice, nice. Can we get some more? Can we get any more than that? Sell a little bit there. I'm not really trusting it. It's got to get going. Sell a little bit more. Sold a little bit there. 35 shares left. Getting in there. Nice, nice, nice push. Taking 20 shares left. Can we get the push to the 50? 50s. Nice, nice. Can we stay in the 50s? Selling a little bit there. Locking in my profit. 14 shares left. Can we get to the 70s? Ooh, taking a little bit there. It's going to have to break out here. Nice. Very small breakout right there. Okay. Sold a little bit more. Can we get the 90s? Taking profit on the way up. Okay. I got 1 share left. I'll hold the 1 share. It doesn't matter. It'll get stopped out of. I mean, it's 1 share. Whatever. Let's see. What does it want to do? Can we look for another entry? Can we get the drop here? Looking like it's going to drop a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and take off right there. I'm all out right there. Up 30 bucks on the day. Nice little trade right there. So it did give the move back down. We'll wait for another entry if we can get one. Let's see. Leads still struggling. RHE still struggling. So PTIX is the move. Right. Let's get ready for more trades. So we have a little bit of resistance up there at the 56 level. I'm looking for the 58 to come into play. Okay, giving us some movement downward back to the 9. The top side of this is the 444. So let's see if we can play it. This is a big topping tail. Even though it's green, this is a huge topping tail here. So I will be playing small. 44. Looking for that 45 break. Now enter small, because I do not want to be getting killed out here. Okay, nice. Ooh, those shorts, man, they're not playing. Back through the 15. Wow. Okay, that's interesting. And this is why I'm going to be playing small, because these little fake outs can be very, very hectic. See, it broke the low there, low of the 406. So let's see if it can get back above the 45 here. Be nice. Looking for that 45 break. $45, can you get me? Okay. 45, can we get it? Another movement down. Holding up a little bit. Not really seeing that 45. Okay, 30s, 35. Looking for the 45, 46. Can we get that 45, 46 level? Not looking too good right there. Struggling at the 30s. 30. Okay. 46 level over here on the bid is what we're looking for. Just not getting that 46. All right. Well, that was a little bit of a pullback going down right there. Let's check out leads. Leads is back up as well. I will size down on this one because why not play small, right? Got in right there. Just gonna follow it up. Even if it does do a pullback, it doesn't really matter at this point. I'm just gonna follow it up and take little bits and pieces off of it. See if it can push through that top right there. Can you do it? Push through that 12, I'll be taking. Looking for that break of that 12, and I'll be taking quickly. 90s, 91, 94, nice. Alright, that was very quick, but it is still above VWAP, so I will give it time to play. 12.17 looking like the place that it's going to be rejecting off of. So our resistance is right there. Okay, can we blast through that level? Nice. Taking a little bit there. Taking the rest right there. I think it missed me right there. I think I'm still in with a little bit. It's all good. If it breaks this candle here, I'm going to get all out. Playing very small share size. Does not seem to be able to get back over the 12. If it breaks down, I'll be looking to get out. Okay. Looking like it wants to push up. If we can get over that 12.10, nice. Took a little bit right there as well. Just taking very small profits here, because I know it's probably gonna fall, and I don't wanna leave myself naked. Taking right there as well. About to get all out. It's looking weak, man. All right, yeah, I sold right there. Went ahead and got out. So just looked extremely weak right there to me, so I had to get out right there. What in the world is PRPO doing? Does it have news? No news on the day. This thing is killing the game. We'll just have to wait on a pullback on that one. PTIX is above VWAP. I want to see this break of this 430. Let's see it. I do like it. Past that 446 level is what I was looking for last time. 446, can we get up there? Take small share size on this one as well. 446. 20s, 30s. Can we get the 30s here? Cannot get the 30s. Okay. Barely holding up the 20s, 25 there. Looking for that 45. Breaking down the 20s again. Very indecisive. 30s. Can we get the 45s in here? 46. There we go. There we go. Oh, man. Top side of that high was a 38. Still waiting. Looking for the 45s. Okay, that's not happening. All right, lids. Still up here doing its thing. It's consolidating up here, which is nice. I want to see a break of that 220, that 1225. Well, looking like it's breaking down there, so we have to wait for a reset up. Okay, this one is looking good now. Let's get ready. I know you want to do it. Looking for this break of the 45 level. Okay. Got a little pop there, but fighting with that 9 EMA. Given red moves there. Let's go look at leads real quick while that one sets up again. Alright, leads is still above VWAP. Could give us a little bit of motion off of this 1186, 1191 would be the entry for me. I do not like this big red candle now, this big red descending candle. So I definitely have to let a dead cat bounce first. PTIX continually does not want to do what we want it to do. 441. Okay, it continues to bounce though. Looking for that 46 there. 46, can we get it? Yeah, this was just choppy. It's starting to get a little bit too choppy right there. Okay, leads. It gave a dead cat bounce. We'll wait for this candle to close. We would love to see a green candle over here, but right now that's just not happening. 1197 looks like to be the point of the top of the body of this candle. Okay, so it is looking like it wants to go green. I hope it's not a fake. The entry here is the high of the 96. So I'll wait, looking for the 96 break. There we go. Got in right there, looking for a little bit more of a push. If it can give it to us, I will be taking. Looking for that push, if it can get it. Nope. Looking like I'm going to have to get out of here. If it goes through the 75, I got to be out. Yeah, not looking too good. Take off right there. Not looking good at all. I was waiting for that push, but never got it. Alright, EFOI. Very low volume. I don't know why it's up. No real news. It's just coming out of nowhere. Got to get some more volume behind it. Leads getting very choppy. Don't want to play with that one too much. PTIX is kind of consolidating here. I wish it can break this 46. Is where I want to see it break. Got a nice little trend coming through here. Just got to break it. Looking like a nice little spot to enter if it can break. Let's see, what is this? The 27 back into the 31s possibly. Man, given those downwards movements. Oh my gosh, EFOI is just ridiculous on low volume. I am so scared of that one. OBLN going down as well. BGFV, don't like it, very expensive. Okay, PTIX finally. Gee whiz, took forever. Let's get this green going. So it's got a top here of the 31. looking, waiting, watching for it to break here. Well, it looks like it's breaking to the downside. It's breaking the wrong way. We have a double top here of the 40s. So right in that 41, 42 area is right where I'll be looking. But it's got to get up to the 30s first. Just not seeing it. See, it continues to break down there. Okay, EFOI breaking down right there. It's getting a little bit more volume behind it. Leads is also going up a little bit. But it faked me out one time, so be careful on that one. Okay, OBLN. What's the news on some of these? I haven't researched any of these. I might need to go and research them because I don't like trading things that I haven't looked into. Let's PTIX coming back up. Finally, let's get going, PTIX. I'm gonna add over the 25. I will be adding. Looking for it, waiting. 25 here. 26. Can we get it? Add it right there. Very small add. Just letting it play. It's above VWAP. I was looking for the break of that 27 area, but may have been a bad little take there. If it breaks this 406, I'm gonna have to be out. It's working, but I don't know if it can get it. Okay, there's a little push there. No stomps. Very small break. Just not impressive at all. Want to see it really break that 25 area. Have to exit. If it goes past the 20, that'll be my exit spot. 20s. Can you get going? Because I'm definitely looking to take profit. There we go. Taking a little profit there. Very small share size. I really don't trust this one at all. Taking profit. Can we get to the 50s? Looking light. Yeah, looking like you want to come back down, buddy. You're not looking good. Can we get to the 50s? Ooh, taking a little too long. I don't like it. I can't play with this one. This one's just tripping. Comes back under the 35, I'm gonna have to get out. There's a little bit of kick right there. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take off right there. I'm not trusting it. I'll wait. Taking too long to go. Alright, let me go and look at sleds. Back under VWAP. PTIX is up there to the 50. OBLN, not trusting it. EFOI, big moves down. Alright. So, yeah, let's just stick to PTIX then. Looks like it was faking out, but maybe it wasn't. Maybe this is a legitimate move upward to the upside. We'll see. It's got to hold up this candle right here of the 422. So that'll be our support level right there. Can it hold up that 423 level? Okay, so I may take a small little position if it can. Well, it breaks that 458. Okay, that was a big move down right there. Very fast movement. I'm gonna be looking. Ooh, glad I took my profits. Make my bones shudder a little bit. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, so this is why we take profit. Alright, so BGFV, not interesting. OBLIN. Okay, OBLN, what are you trying to do here? So it got over this level. I am interested, I think. It's very extended on the 5-minute, so, but I am interested. Can you give us like a pullback or something above VWAP before you go, or you'll be going without me? Please give us a pullback. Just above VWAP is all we need. Top side of this is the high of the 24. We want to see the 26 now for a quick scalp. Actually, you know what? I'm not buying this up this high. Look at this. Look at how extended this is with no pullbacks. And then it's on low volume. So those are all bad signs. LED's failing out. PTIX looking like it's gonna fail. OBLN is looking the best, but let me go research it real quick. I'm not too into this, man. I'm not feeling it. Let's take a small share size on a break. It's moving so slow. Oh my gosh. I can't press the button. Something's wrong with my finger. I can't trust this. I can't do it. Let me go check this one out. I'm going to research it real quick. OBLN. OBLN. Okay, no shelf registrations. OBLN. OBLN looking like it has 7 million in the float on both Finviz and Yahoo Finance. It was a nice move. It was a nice move, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. 7 million in the float. Let's go check out these other ones. PTIX finally filling out. Okay, so OBLN is probably going to become the stock of the day, looking like. So yeah, I'll definitely be willing to take trades on it now. It's just got to give a pullback. What's the news on it? Why is it up? No real news on today. Maybe just a grinder throughout the day. I think I'm going to go ahead and enter here. Enter for a little bit, and I'm going to actually hold it for a pullback. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, nice. Can we get a little punch up to the $4 level if possible? I can always re-enter. I'll take profit through the 4. Take profit right there because it's looking like it wants to fall. Yeah, that was a little fall right there. Just taking the profit while I have it. See if it can get a push up. If not, we'll be looking for a full pullback. Looking heavy. Can we get over the 90s? Is what we're looking for. 90s. Okay, can we break that $4 level? Take a little bit more there. It's just looking weak up here. 90 break. Selling there. Okay, took all right there. Looking for another setup. Breaking down a little bit too much, but it is above VWAP, so we still have faith in it. EFOI. Tripping. Everything else is kind of just gone. So yeah, this is a top stock for right now. Coming down to the 350 level. Will it test VWAP? VWAP is at the 334. 334. Not seeing the movement that I would like. Let's see if we can get a dead cat bounce somewhere in here. Coming down here, the 9 is at the 345, getting a little bounce off of that. But this is a big red candle, so we want to see it hold up VWAP. Looking heavy. Okay. I like that it's trying to give a little bounce up. Okay, this may be a grinder throughout the day. EFOI. This may be a grinder. I may enter small just to see if I can get a ride up. See if we can get back to, what's the top of this? 57s. See if it breaks down this VWAP. Okay, it did get a bounce, so we're looking for an entry back into the 60s. Let's see if it can give it to us. Got 30 seconds left on this candle. Will it break VWAP? If it breaks the 40s, it's over. I mean, breaks into the 30s, it's over. 10 seconds left on this candle. Still fighting above VWAP. Looking real heavy. Let's see if we can get back to the 60s. 61 is what we're looking for. Looking real heavy here though. 42s. Got to get back through the 50s and then the 60s is what we're looking for. 48s, 49s. I'm interested around the 55 to the 60 area. Let's see if we can get it. '50s, 51, 51. Getting some buying pressure. Just has not overcome any of these red bars back here. Okay, I like it. I like it. 51, 55, 61 is what we're looking for. Let's get it. 61. Okay, heavy right there. Can we see the 61? 61. Okay, 57s. 56s. All right, enter it right there. I kind of jumped the gun, but I had to enter kind of quick. I'm gonna let that ride out. It's very small positioning, so below the VWAP I will be out if it cannot continue to push. I do like this buying pressure underneath it, so we're just gonna let it play. The low is the 338 here. Just not looking too friendly now. See if we can get back up. The top of this high is a 62. Just letting it go, letting it do its thing. But while we wait, let me go and check out some other stuff. I want to go check out some other stuff, but it's not moving up. So may have to get ready to exit again. Very small little push out. Let's see if we can make it to the 70s maybe. We're still behind a big red candle, so this may be a fake. So I need to be exiting a little bit through the 70. Looking heavy here. Come on now. Don't make me exit. Yeah, exit it right there. Not gonna play with it. Nope, not finna take my soul. All right, EFOI, still playing around down there. LEDs, OBLN, I just could not hold it any longer. I felt my soul getting ripped. All right. So while everything is failing, we can go ahead and look at my realized gains and losses here today. So top money maker was PTIX with 93 cents in the profit. PTIX 84 cents, 81 cents, and a whole bunch of green trades. I took a couple of small losers on OBLN. LEDs took a couple of losers on that. And then RHE took one big loser on a downwards movement on that one. So overall, we're sitting up $29.72 with the trading that I've done. I started the day with $1,500. I have $368 left to trade. So we'll see if we can get something before 10 o'clock, but I will be shutting down at 10. Anyway, if you're enjoying the stream, make sure you hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. Anything else want to come back above that VWAP? LEDs has a little bit of a bottom at the 1083 here, but it's under VWAP. It needs to get back above. If you traded today, let me know what you traded in the chat. What you're watching. Are you watching the higher caps, mid caps, low caps? I said low caps, small caps. What are you watching today? I don't even know how many buys I did today. I think I did quite a few buys. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 buys today. 14 buys. OBLN. So LEDs is the only thing that's close to the VWAP, so we'll see if we can get back up there. I'd love to see it re-challenge this high. Traded PTIX, only trade in 3 out. Oh, 44 cents of profit. That is a good trade. You know, one thing that especially when I was working with my small account, man, when I tell you one good trade like that would make my day, I would be like, oh my goodness, because I started trading penny stocks with 500 or no, $100. And when I tell you it was so hard making one good trade, because you got to be almost 100% accuracy to get one good trade. But it was fun. But now the account is gotten bigger and I've been able to, space it out. And right now, what I'm trying to do is not miss opportunities, because last week I would just watch them go. I was just like, oh, well, I missed that one. But this week, I'm taking every opportunity and just cutting my loss short. Okay, Leads is trying to get back above VWAP. Trying to get back above VWAP. I think everything else is just going to go ahead and fade, which is good for us because that means we only have one to watch. But it is choppy, very choppy. Ooh, look at that movement back down. Look at that movement down. Wow. All the way back down there to the 1060. I don't know if it can pull back up. That's how much it 1050 is the low of this, and then 11, so a dollar move down. I don't know. Got 30 minutes left on the stream, and then I guess I'll be seeing you all tomorrow for another little bit of growth on the account. I would love to get this account up to 10K, just little by little, and be able to trade 5,000 per day with the cash account. That would be dope. Let's let this one do a little pullback. What's the float on this one? Float is looking like 19 million. It's going to be a choppy one, but I think it's going to be grinding up. Let's see what the news is. Big sporting goods. Let me go research this real quick. See if it has any kind of crazy forms or registrations on it. BGFV. Nope. It's looking good. See, float 19.88 million over there on Yahoo Finance. BGFV. On FinViz 19.95. So nice. Giving a little pullback there. It's the only thing above VWAP right now that I'm interested in. So yeah, let me go ahead and get ready. I'll take small share size on this one. I'll have to. Five shares is 150 bucks. I got 368 left to trade. DX, what are you doing? DXF. That volume is atrocious. So I'll focus up here. Let's see. I like it. Has a nice spread too. Getting ready. Let's see if we can get to the 35s. 35. I want to see it on the bid here. 34.35 is my entry. Top side of this high is a 39. It's okay. Can we get the 35s here? Sitting at the 20 on the bid. Oh my Jesus Christ. Okay, so that went up. Okay, coming back down. See, it went up so fast. Okay. Well, looking like I'm going to have to let it pull back after that move. Unless it can get back up here above the 46, which I doubt with that move. So not too good on that one with that topping tail. We'll see where the bottom is on that one. PTIX down. Everything is still down. OBLN trying to get back above VWAP. PR. What in the world, bro? What's wrong with this stock? Literally, I look away from it. It's dying. And then all of a sudden, resurrection. It's like a phoenix. So we'll watch it out of the halt. Let me see what kind of news is on it. Launches new Hemiscreen panel for AML. Okay, we'll watch this one come out of the halt. It's the best looking one right now. It may be the last trade of the day for me, but it is looking quite nice. So PRPO, let me go look at the halt time real quick. It's halted at 10:30, 36. So we'll be looking for a 35.36 open. So we got about 3 minutes. 35.36. See if I can take some profit off of this thing, man. Ugh. Alright. Let's get ready to play ball. How many shares of this can I get? 45. Let's see if I use everything on this stock. 368. So I can get 82 shares. I got plenty. I can get plenty. But still though, since I'm so far in the green, it's no point of risking it on this stock that just got news like a couple minutes ago. The news with unparalleled 4-hour turnaround time. Okay, so that is nice news. 4-hour turnaround time for a screening. That's nice. Only problem is I don't know what AML is for this company. We'll see. And it's not that volatile either. It's only up 15%. So got to be all around careful with this one. I forgot to even, has no shelf registrations. Float is 17.93. It's a little bit higher float. May give some fake outs. 17, so 17 million in the float. We'll be watching. $35.36. So 30 seconds before it goes. Let me just make sure nothing else up here is popping up. Okay, so OBLN trying to give a nice little pullback above the VWAP. Much lower float, but it doesn't have news for today. So let's focus in on this one. PRPO. Let's do it. 35.36 coming up. Okay, very high. It needs to come down some. Give us a movement down first. Whoo, it's not playing. Okay, if it holds at 90, I'm gonna have to get in. Okay, giving us a little pullback here. Come on back. Come on back, buddy. Give us that red. It gets back over the 80s though, so I'm gonna have to get in. Jesus Christ. Alright, I took right there. Looking for the breakout. It's only 5 shares in. Let's see if it can get going any higher. We'll add on pullbacks. Nice, giving us a nice little pullback there to the 80s. Looking for a good entry. Back in the 90s, I'll be adding. Nice, nice, nice. Come on down and give us some red, buddy. If you can't give us red, I'll be adding here at the 85s. Add it right there, 85s. In 10 shares. I know it's going to give us red at some point. Love to see it go into another halt. Okay, nice, nice. Getting up there, trying to hold up that $5 level. I would love to see some consolidation up here. It doesn't have any shelf registrations. Want to see a pullback to add. Give us that pullback. Add it there. Still looking to add some more. Okay, getting back up there to the 5s. I want to see some consolidation. We haven't seen any pullbacks yet. Looking for another add point though. It's not really giving me any. Come on. Nice. Okay, there's a little bit of a pull up right there. Do like that move. See if we can give us a little bit more down to maybe the 9 for me to add a little bit more. It shows us green here. I might have to add here. It's a little bit of green, but not enough for me to be adding. I'm gonna wait on this one and just take profit on the top side if I can. All the way to the 9 right there. Let's see the 85 come back into play. Looking for the 85s. Okay, there's the 85. We want to see it hold the 85. Add it right there. 20 shares in. Come on, baby. What's the bottom of this? So all out would have to be the low here. What is this? 465. It's a nice little low spot. Still above VWAP. We go under VWAP, I'm out. 457. See if we can get back up there. This is a nice dip area. We'll be looking for the 75 to come back into play for an add. 71. Get that 75 there. Come on, give us a 75 play. I have to see that 71 over here on the bid. All right, below VWAP. It's looking like the spot to be. Looking to add around here. We can get that 75, that'll be nice. Add it right there. And 25 shares, just letting it play. See if it can get going any more. I'll definitely be looking to take profit because we are in a descending candle. The low of this is the 463, so I'd love to see it stay above that. Let's see if we can stay up here. Get into the 80s. 80s. See the 80s right there. All right, that's a nice big downward movement. Not looking good right there. At 463 is my out. Has to be. What is VWAP? VWAP is at the 459. Trying to see if it'll break VWAP. What does it want to do here? 70s, 71. We got to get back up here. 74s. Nice little pop there. Come on, buyers. Come on, get in there. Definitely be looking to take off through the VWAP. VWAP is at the 459 right now. And am I even prepared? 59, 60s. Got to get back into the 70s on this candle. 69s, 70s. We touched the 70s. 71. Want to see you do something crazy here. Okay, nice, nice. Looking to take up there as well. Looking for it to hold that VWAP up. VWAP is at the 59 right now, which would be my exit. '77s. Can we get back into the 80s? Ooh, come on now. Stop playing. Go back green. '70s looking heavy right there. May have to get out here. Looking for it to go back green here. There we go. Got a little bit of green. It needs to continue pushing. What in the world? What just happened? Alright. Want to see the high of this is the 480s. Want to see them push it out. It's got good news, so definitely looking for it to get some more action. I wonder what that was that just made that screen do that. 459, looking to get out. 75s. Come on, push that 75. 76 right there. Want to see 75 on the bid here. 73, 74. There we go. There's a little pop right there through the 75. We want to see 77s come up there now. Alright, looking a little heavy. I might have to go ahead and take. Ooh. VWAP. Come on, man. A little fake out on the shorts. The low here is a 66. 66 will have to be the out. '66 getting up there to the 75. Not seeing it break. 75 starting to hold. 75, 74s, 78s. Nice. So we're playing it good. Looking to get back up there though. 1 second. Alright, so let's see if it can get through that top there. Looking kind of heavy here. Okay, might have to exit here if it can't get through that top. The VWAP is at the 460. $460. We see the 80s there. Okay. 80s. See the 81s. Looking real heavy here. Want to see the 81s stay up there. Okay. The low of this candle there. That looks good. But can it go? That's the problem. So 466, I'll have to get out. Just continue to play around. Fake out. Back through the 75, I'll be out. 75's getting heavy right there. Oh, it's 66. I mean, 66 was my out. Looking to get back into the 80s here. $66. What can we get here? Come on, don't break down. Oh, come on, give me that move up. There it goes, being irrational. There it is. Let's get that 81 in there. So the top of this one, the low 75. So 75, I'm looking to get out here. We can't get a push off that 75. Got out right there. It's all good. Look somewhere else. Okay, that one looks bad. OBLN could not continue either. Man, PRPO, I really expected it to give us a little bit better move, but it just could not do it. Let's see if it holds up this 466 level. That's the VWAP bounce right there. So we would love to see it back through the 81s. Yep, going on under. Okay. Is there anything else that's tradable? The thing is, PRPO is going to be choppy anyway because it has that higher float. APOP, that's one from the past. That's a blast from the past. I remember that one. Don't trust it though, but I do remember it. Let's see what kind of news APOP has. No news. I'm definitely nope. Okay, this one did push back above VWAP. 475 could be another entry. $476 level. Getting some nice buying off of this VWAP. 476. So it did kind of come back up to that 66 level. Let's see if we can hold that 66. We see 67 on the bid right now. Can you hold up that 66? $64, bouncing back up there to the 66 real quick. Break above that 76 is what I'm looking for. Okay, breaking down to 66 again. Not looking good. Will it break VWAP? VWAP is at the 62. Testing VWAP hard. Okay, not looking good right there. APOP looking like it wants to fire up a little bit. And I do know it can definitely move big. Let's see where these end up being. 73. May enter just a small amount because I know how volatile this thing can get. Pulling back up there again off of that 62 level. Got to get back past the 66 for me to even be interested. Got a nice little trend line here going down. Looking for that 66 break. Oh, wow. Never mind. Continuing to force its way under the VWAP. Where'd that APOP go? It's not even on my scanner anymore. BRN. Any news on the day? All right. Well, we have 5 minutes left on the stream. I did lose a little bit on those last couple of trades. We can go ahead and, what in the world? We can go ahead and go over my realized gains and losses. I'm not going to risk any more today. I think I'm okay on the day. It probably like 25 bucks. Yep, around 25 bucks. So I risked 4 more bucks on that last trade for the opportunity to gain a lot more, but did not work out like that. Biggest gainer, 93 cents. Biggest loser, 68 cents on 10 shares. So 93 cents. I think I took a 50 share position on this PTIX, and I took only a 10 share position on this RHE. So definitely was one of those days where I just had to take what I could get. But as for right now, I just don't see anything else given those moves. And APOP actually went ahead and sunk down, I believe. No. Still looking like it's holding. Could get in for a very, very small move upwards, especially if the volume comes in. I think I'm going to watch APOP real quick. Let's look at the daily resistance. It is above, so it could definitely give us a move up. I think I may take a small position here. Let's see is it allowing us to use stops? It is. Okay, so 75 is sitting on the bid right now. Can it get above 706? Very low volume right here though. Do I risk it? I don't know. But APOP is definitely a killer stock. I've seen it do some crazy stuff. 74 on the bid, so it went down a little bit. If it can start moving up, I'll definitely jump in it for a little bit. But I don't know if it's even on anybody's scanners right now. Everything's gonna have to fail. Okay, DXF is also doing its thing, but it has a very tight range here. 275 seems to be the top. The most of this move from the bottom here, 244 up to the 2. That's a 40-cent move. That's not worth it for me. Not worth it at all. Will this thing start moving at 10 o'clock? It's just sitting there. I don't think I want to put my money in there. DXF, man. I may have to take a little bit of this. It's playing too much. Because on this breakout, it would be nice. Let me take like 5 shares of it. 10 shares of it would be nice. Yeah. Okay, they're not using stops on this one. Not allowing stops on that one. So, just going to leave it alone. Got a 3-cent spread on APOP from the 78. Love to see that thing pop off. If it can move up just a little bit, I will go ahead and take that trade on APOP. It can start moving upwards. It's just one of those that gets too volatile not to be in the move. Matter of fact, before it moves, I'm going to go ahead and take just a little bit just to be in. Okay, took right there, 5 little shares. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and take a 10 share position, I believe, on this one. Yeah, got in 10 shares right there, looking for the movement up. PRPO coming back up there. Trash, man. It's got to give a pull back above VWAP. This one's been one of those that's been faking out a whole lot today. If APOP can get going, that would be a nice little punch out. It can get some volume behind it as well. This one still going up. Don't really trust this one. Okay, PRPO giving a pullback above VWAP, but it is fighting this downwards trend. APOP did move down 2 cents. Getting the pullback here. Can we take some quickly off the top of this? It's going to have to close red here. If it continues up, it'll just go without me. Got about 20 seconds left on this one. Would love for it to close red there, but it did not, and looks like a double top there, unless it breaks it here. High of the 74. Can we close red here? Indecisive. Not looking too good. $74. Still not giving us our red close. It may actually go ahead and push out here for a fake. So 474. Let's see if it'll get, well, that's a triple top right there. That's not good. Has 10 seconds left on this candle. Let's see if it'll close as a triple top. That's a lot of resistance right there at that level of the 74. So it's going to have to give me a 76 for an entry. 76 play. Can we get it? Yep. So that triple top did make it fade a little bit. Okay. Okay. Will it give us a fake here? I don't even know if it can hold up VWAP at this point. APOP has not made a move in a long time. It's just a 2-cent loss. Okay, PRPO. Look at that bad boy pumping up there. Let's see how far that is. 74 up to the 82. Let's see if it gets rejected. Can it hold above VWAP? VWAP is at the 461. $474. APOP, what are you doing over here, man? APOP's down a little bit. It's all good. Still above VWAP. All right, giving us some pullbacks now. Heavy pullback. Now we are really above the VWAP. So definitely liking that. We have a double top up here of the 85. So let's see if we can get a quick scalp of the 86. Looking for 86 on the bid. I see 82s, 81s, 80s, 82s. Can we get our 86 here? $86 on the bid is what I'm looking for. 3s, 2s. Okay. Not seeing that 86 come up here. Okay, will it break the bottom here of this candle? Low is a 76. Did stay above that. High of this candle is the 84. Looking for the 86. New candle about to open. Will it break the bottom? Looking like it wants to stay up. Bounced off of that. The low of this candle is the 77. Low of this candle is the 76. Let's see it hold up. It's getting a little tight though. I think it's kind of losing itself here. All right. Let's see if we can get back above this 86 level. That's what we're looking for. Breaking down the 75, went down there and tested it. Threw a wick through it, broke the 75. APOP back up. I may go add some more to it now. Just wanted to see it kind of get back up there. Let's go add a little bit more to it for that break. All right. should be calculating in. I just added to it, I thought. Okay, yeah, there it is. 277. Looking for that breakout. Got 15 shares right there. If they could just push up 2% to 12, that would be dope. A nice little concentration here. The top side is the 288, so I got in at the 77. So to get to the highs, it's only 10 cents. PTIX. Okay, PRPO getting on up there. 86 is what I was looking for on this one. 86, can we get it on the bid? 84s, 86s. Ooh, couldn't hold that 86 on the bid. Got to get that 86 back on the bid. 83s. Yeah, looks like burial time. Okay, so we'll go in. APOP just needs one movement upward, really. DXF had a big jump up there, but now it's falling. PRPO. I'm back down to, whoa. Oh, that's under VWAP. Back down 2 cents on those 15 shares. On APOP. There is a little jump. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more right there. Add a little bit more. Got 20 shares now. Looking for it to jump through that 75. PRPO. $72, 76. Can we break that 77? If we can get some 77 buys over here, that'll be great. There's a little bump up starting to come in. There we go. There we go. I like it. I like it. All right, let's go and get ready to take profit. Okay, live trader popping down right there. I like it. Let's see how far it pops down. Nice little pop there though. Nice little volume kick. See 76 back on the, yeah, I'm going to add there again. 25 shares in, 30 shares in. Looking for the move up. Got the move up. Very fast move up right there. Very fast move down. Like I said, this one can get crazy. So let me get ready to exit. The top side of this is the high of the 88. Okay. Let's see if we can get a punch through that 88 level. Coming down a little bit. Will it give us another good entry point down here? '80s, 81, getting on up there. What's the top of this? High is the 285 right there. In 30 shares, just letting it ride. Could actually get 50 shares of this if I wanted to. Make it the last trade of the day if it can pull back a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get in 50 for a continuation upwards. Let's see if it hits the 83 here. Can we get the 83 on the bid? Into it 50 shares. 78 is coming down. Looking to enter 50 shares here. Got to get back up. See 82s. Nice. 82 back up there. Can it hold the 82? Looking for a 50 share entry here. If I see 83, I'm probably going to go ahead and enter. Don't see 83s yet. Okay, coming down. 81. Back at that 82 will be the entry. Let's see what it wants to do here. Okay, kind of sitting still now, so go and look at something else. Picks, leads, PRPO. Nothing else is looking like I would like it to. What in the work, bro? How? Okay, so we'll wait for that to open as well. EFOI halted. Let me go look at that halt time. EFIO 1117. So it'll be opening up back on the 2207. 2207 there. That is insane. What is it? News must have just came out on it. Nope, no news just came out. It just went up. So we'll definitely be watching that one out of the halt. Still waiting on my APOP to do its thing. Right there at that 82 is a spot I'm watching. EOF. All right. I forgot the number. 2207, I believe. 2207 is the open for this one. Oh man, my APOP came down a little bit. Could just go ahead and stop out of it while I'm in the profit. What's my break even? It's 278. VWAP is all the way down there at the 270s. So yeah, we'll sell that if it crosses VWAP. Otherwise, I'll still be watching it. EFOI. Let's see what you got. And I did not go and check. EFOI does not have any shelf registrations, which is amazing. See if we can make some money off of it. Float is 2.96 million on EFOI. So let's get it. Drop down right there. Nice drops. Let's see it get back up there to the top. Okay, it's getting up to the top very quickly. Add it right in there. Add it again. Looking for another drop back. Drop back. Add it right in there again. Looking for it to continue up with this motion. Add it again. Add it again. 25 shares in. I'm done adding. This will be the last trade of the day. Looking for it to get up here. It's gotta stay above this bottom here, this low of the 521. It's gotta stay above or I'll get out. $550s. Come on, baby. You got this. Looking for people to get excited here. My APOP is also up 6 cents. Looking for people to get excited, get a little bit of movement back up to the top, or I'm gonna have to cancel. Have to exit out of here. Can we get a move back up to the top here? VWAP is at the 507. I have to exit there. 507s. Looking like it wants to get back up. Very small little dead cat bounce there. Still above VWAP though. Come on, baby. 30s, 32s. Getting back up there. Nice. Want to see it break into the 40s. Whoo. Okay, this one's looking like I'm gonna have to exit if it continues to play like this. VWAP is at the 509. And bouncing off of VWAP. If I see that 509, I gotta get out. Not gonna stick around for that news. 514. Gotta stay above VWAP here. 510 is my out. Can we get a nice bounce off VWAP and continue higher? Let's see the 25s come into play. Nope. Oh, come on, man. 19s. Very heavy stock. Shorts are killing it. It's got to get going. 509, I got to be out. 16s. 14s, 15s back on the bid. Okay. Can we get some movement upwards through the 25 if possible? So now this low of this candle, 512, I gotta be out. 512, 18s. Come on, baby. 520s. Oh. 512. Looking for that break of the 512. I'll be out. Oh. And it is almost 10:30, which is trash. Trash. Yeah, it's looking like it's going to break down at 512 here. 514s. I see 13s. I'm out. Yep. Not about to play that game. Below the 12s. Can't do it. So there was a 12 break. Now we see a little bit of continuation on that one. So I did lose quite a bit of money on that trade. I probably shouldn't have jumped in there. What's this one still doing? Okay, this one's still up. A-pop just needs a little bit of volume behind it. $83 on the bid. May end up adding to this one. This is a double top though. Double top at the 84. I want to see 84 on the bid. Man, I lost a good chunk of money right there on that one. And all of them are starting to get choppy. All right. We'll go ahead and add to this one. Got $10 left. Just looking for a nice little pop out here. 283. VWAP is at the 71. $71 will be our all out. If it cannot continue up, it's got a couple of top and tails up there, but it's got to push. Nice little buy up right there. I'm gonna let this 35 play out on it. Right now, it's the only one that I see that can give me the moves. It's above VWAP. Of course, PRPO is too, but look at these wicks. I do not like the wicks. $282. Used to get bought up. Not seeing any new orders come onto the tape. $83 is getting bought up right there. Can we see 84 on the bid? 83 getting eaten through. 85s, there's a push. Gonna have to see a bigger push than that. The high of this was the 85. The high of this is the 85. So 85 is the new level that it has to beat. I may go ahead and stop out break even just to limit whatever I'm gonna lose. So I put my stop at the 79 there, 78 level just in case. That'll keep me from losing a lot of money on this one. 78 level is where I'm gonna get out if it can't push. PTIX. Okay, gave a little bit of green. It's gonna have to give a lot more green than that. I would love for it to get over maybe 600 million shares traded so people can start seeing it on their scanners. That's what I'm gonna be waiting on. It is 10:33, but since I am in this trade, I am in this trade, so I'm not going anywhere right now. $82 still just sitting there. PRPO, fake outs, big moves down on EF, and this is why we like to get out here. I went ahead and got out. I forgot where I got out, but I'm not in there right now. Man, this thing does not want to move. Let's see what the new minute bar opens up. It's not opening yet. Oh well. Hey, there's a little spike up. Very, very fast spike up there. Let's see if we can get some volume behind it. APOP getting on up there. Now definitely it's looking like I'm gonna need to put it right at break even to be out on the 79. Looking for the push into the 90s. They're buying at the 85s right now. There's a big push right there. 87s getting on out there. Nice little push out. This one can definitely get volatile. Another little push, big push out there, right there. 13 cents. Looking for it to break into the 90s. Nice buying pressure coming in there. See if we can get up to 1,000,000. Let me go ahead and get ready to take profit as well. This will be the last trade of the day, I believe. Ones. So right now, sitting right at 20 bucks right now. We'll see if it can make us any more money. Cancel that. Nice little movement right there. $3 right there, 26 cents. Nice. We'll see where it wants to go from here. I think I'm gonna start taking off profit since I am getting back above, let's see, 24 bucks. Getting up there. Nice, nice, nice. I'm gonna go ahead and start popping. Let it find a little cool off area right here. Taking a little bit more. Can we get past that 35? Boy, that thing bounced down a lot. All right, looking at break even, 279. I'm gonna have to get out. 279. Be our sell point down there if it can't continue. Looking for it to be a sporadic stock. It needs to stay above this level now, 292. 292, I have to get out. So right there, it needs to stay above that level. Let's hit that level twice. Can we get a little bit of help through that 310? Got to open up the next candle here. We're up to 1,000,000 shares traded. Let's see if we can get another pop up. Taking a little bit longer than I would like. May stop me out here. 301s. It's got to hold this level for about 30 seconds, which is a bad thing. May not be able to hold up. Or people could have bought on that dip right there. See if we can get back over to 306s. 15 seconds left on this candle. Not looking good. A lot of buying pressure down there. See if you can get going up a little bit more. Look to take some more. 302s is what we want to see on the bid. 302. Not seeing it. There it is. All right. We're getting ready to push a little bit higher, possibly. 302s. Want to see 303s pop up there on the bid. Bottom of this candle looks to be the 295. 294 is where I'll be looking to get out. 294s, 295 level. It's going to either have to push or do something different. Waiting for the breakout here. Can we get it? Okay, that's the 04s. Want to see the 5s come up on the bid. Okay, nice, nice. Can we get a little bit more? The low of this candle is the 302. So 302 will have to be my out. So that'll be the sell point, 302, if it comes down through that. Looking for it to push out. .306s need to come into play. Okay, it may stop me out here. What's the bottom of this? Do I want to move back to the 295 is the question. 295. Because I could give it a little bit more room to play. I think I am going to do that. Let's move it back to the 295 down here at the bottom of this candle. Looking for a movement out. Okay, bought up off of the 9. If it can break out of this top, I will be taking. This top right here is a 310. Very, very fast mover right there. Didn't even see it. Wow, 37,000 shares on the bid. Somebody's not playing. Sold a little bit. Sold a little bit. We'll put the rest, 31 shares, or sold a little bit more there. Okay, so we'll be out at the $3 level for those last 30 shares. Sell 299. 299 on the sell side. See if it wants to continue to push. Okay. Sevens. Okay, there's a little bit of a push. Looking like it wants to go a little bit. Give us the explosion out, please. 11s. We want to see 8s come up on the bid. Want to see those 8s come up there on that bid. Nice push through. It's not seeing the follow through the 20 like I wanted to. There it is. Okay, taking. Okay, taking. End of this candle is the low of the 306, which is where we'll be looking. 306. It may, oh wow, 306. 24 shares there. I'll be out. Kind of double topping there. It needs to break this. Taking off a little bit right there. Taking a little bit long to break. There was a little break right there. Taking to the 30s. Taking. Lot of volume coming in there. All right. Go ahead and exit that out. So I did make the money back on today. Got back up there to almost, I don't know what I got to, but about 28 bucks, around 30 bucks where I was at the beginning. I am going to call it a day there. If you're going to continue trading, please be careful. This one has a very long topping tail right there that I just did not like, so I went ahead and got out of that. Let me go ahead and look at my realized gains and losses here. So APOP, I did take, wait, where is it? Okay, APOP did take a couple of winning trades. I need to get them all here. Okay, APOP, there's a top trade for 53 cents pull off on APOP, so that's nice. I did buy a lot today. I mean, I bought a whole lot, but there were a lot of winning trades in there. So up $28. I'm going to go ahead and close it out for the day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're on Twitch, make sure you follow. And as always, I will see you in the next one, which will be tomorrow morning, May the 11th. Peace out.